What's up guys? Again, I'm back and this is 1 minute beatbox lesson, and today I'm going to share to you some trap snare, and other call this a BMG snare or a classic snare. And a trap snare, it sounds like this. Okay, to do the trap snare is just position your lips in this side, just like a baby doing some pop sound. Use your lips like, okay, just try it now. And after, you can create that snare sound and try to combine it with a bass snare or any beatbox pattern you want, like this. Okay, just try it. Try it with your pattern. And guys, see you next time. Thank you so much for watching, and peace.